Did you know that 30% of the world's population is using more resources than in any time in history? Hey everyone, my name is Amanda Gates and I am so excited to share with you my new book, Easy Everyday Habits to Be More Eco-Friendly. This is an extremely personal passion of mine. I absolutely love the environment and I do everything that I possibly can every day to be more eco-friendly. I've had a lot of people tell me that, hey Amanda, my one thing isn't gonna matter, or I just don't have enough time, or my favorite, I don't even know where to start. So here's the thing, I've written this book for you. I've written it in a way so that it is super easy to understand and it's super easy to implement. I wanted to create step-by-step easy guide to help you alter your habits that you do every day. If I can get you to make small changes every day, even if it's just a couple of things, we're starting a movement. Did you know that 500 million straws get used daily? 500 million straws. Just going out to eat or grabbing something to go, you saying no to that straw, we're starting a movement. I even put an example in the book about the Chipotle bag. I recently went to Chipotle for a girlfriend. She and I were getting a couple of burritos, and as we were checking out, they started to put our burritos in a paper bag. Here's the thing, I brought my personal shoppers with me, so I was able to put all of our things in my own shopping bag. Seemingly insignificant, right? Here's the thing, if we could get all 2,200 Chipotles and get half of their customers, they usually average about 500 customers a day. If we could even get half of that to participate in this idea of turning down that one bag, we could save 94 million bags a year. Hello, that is change, guys. That is change. This year, you have the opportunity to start incorporating those daily habits, to make this a movement with me. I talk to so many people who really want to be environmentally conscious, but they don't know how to do it. They don't know where to start. And the good news is, this book shows you how. Listen, we have maxed out our resources. We have consumed and consumed and consumed, and Mama Earth is hurting. Did you know that 80% of the rainforests in Indonesia have been completely wiped out due to palm oil plantations? That's right. These manufacturers are coming in and doing what's called slash and burns, where they come in and just wipe out entire portions of the forest by burning them down. Do you know what this does to the ecosystems? They're destroying entire ecosystems, and orangutans are now on the endangered species list because these assholes are coming in and burning them down for cheap ass vegetable oil. That alone right there, saying no to products that have palm oil, right there, that's a decision and that's a daily habit that creates change. In the book, I list all kinds of ingredients that you need to be looking for so that you know what to say no to. Your dollar and your decisions equal a vote, and that matters. Because when you say yes to something, that means that you're tolerating the way that things are. We need a paradigm shift. We need to change the way things are being done. If we want to get those coral reefs back and we want to save the bees and save the rainforests and save the oceans, we're going to have to do some radical change here, folks. And that's what this book teaches you about. I want this book to start a movement. I want to know what you're doing every day to be eco. I want to know what your random acts of sustainability are. I have an entire chapter to this very topic. How can you be more intentional about the things that you get rid of? How can you be more intentional about the things that you donate? Rather than throwing them in a box and taking them to Goodwill or the Salvation Army, how about being intentional about where they go so that they're actually used again and again? That's being eco-friendly. And I want to know what your tree status is. Hashtag tree status. Massive change can occur if we all chip in. Listen, this is no longer a matter of science fiction. We are beyond the tipping point. We are running out of resources. Over 1 trillion one-time use pieces of plastic end up in landfills annually. That is a lot. Just saying no to plastic. These are little everyday things that you can do that start making a movement. Your dollar, your decisions equal a vote. Small changes make big impacts. And this is how we can create change. Sustainability is not something we do, it's something that we become. This is a lifestyle. And sure, at first glance, it may seem totally inconvenient, but it's because you've been sold a bill of goods that life needs to be easier, faster, and more convenient. And that is incorrect because we are no longer in balance with the natural rhythms of our planet. Grief is something that none of us know until we reach it. And that is what we are going to see when our kids and our grandkids live on an entirely different planet than we do. I want everybody to be as excited about saving the planet as I am, and that is why I have written this book, Easy Everyday Habits to be More Eco-Friendly. I incorporate all types of easy tips that you can do every single day that create that big impact. Are you ready to get eco? Are you ready to join me on this pilgrimage of saving the planet? Hell yeah, let's do it.